In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Venmo application, go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says me. And then it is going to display your profile and your balance. So you want to go ahead and select on the widget that does say balance, and you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say transfer. So go ahead and press on that. So once you're in this page, you're going to get a few different options. For starters, you guys can go ahead and transfer your money within 3 business days. You guys could actually go ahead and connect Cash App to Venmo, and then you guys can go ahead and transfer it within 3 business days. However, if you want to do it instantly, then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you do have the Cash App debit card. But if you don't have the Cash App debit card, that is perfectly okay. You could still do this process, but you need to go ahead and select on the option that says within 3 business days. And because you are using Cash App as a bank and not as a debit card, then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on this button that says transfer to, then go ahead and select on this option that does say add bank. Now it is going to give you a screen that looks like this. So what we need to do is we actually need to press verify bank manually instead. And essentially we need to go ahead and input our Cash App routing number, account number, and we need to go ahead and confirm the account number. So my screen is black at the moment for privacy reasons, but I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find your routing number and your account number on Cash App. Okay guys, once you're over here on Cash App, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and then select on the dollar icon like so, and then it is going to take you to your cash balance. Go ahead and select on the widget that does say cash balance. And then over here, it is going to provide you with both your routing number and your account number. So again, my screen is black at the moment for privacy reasons, but all you need to do is copy that number and then paste it into Venmo. All right, and there you go. We do have Sutton Bank. Now, Sutton Bank is actually Cash App, so don't get confused. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that Sutton Bank is actually activated. And again, you guys could actually go ahead and do this process with the Cash App debit card, but again, this is completely up to you. So now that we have the Cash App bank account linked, all we need to do is we need to press on transfer just like so. And then there you go. It will now say transfer initiated, and now it will actually take the money from Venmo to Cash App just like so. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.